Hello from Nyam Nyam and welcome to Avengers Cakesicles Part 2. If you've seen Part 1, you're going to love this. They're so easy to make and great for a themed party. And let's not forget, they certainly bring out the artist in you. You get to create some of your favourite Avengers characters. Thanos, Iron Man, Ant-Man and Thor. Let's start. Mix together 400 grams of butter cake and 200 grams of cream cheese. That will be your cake filling. Next, melt 100 grams of white chocolate and split into 4 bowls, adding food colour to each. We've got purple, beige, grey and red. Pour each colour into a popsicle mould, generously covering the bottom. Then tip the mould to cover the sides. Chill for 30 minutes, and once set, you can add in the cake mixture. Use your fingers to press it down. And fill in all the gaps. Add popsicle sticks in the bottom. And then pour on the remainder of your melted coloured chocolate. Spread it out to cover all the cake mixture. Then chill for 1 hour. And your cakesicles are ready to remove from the moulds. Let's decorate, starting with Thanos, using purple, yellow and red fondant. Next is Ant-Man with those red eyes. Then Thor. Don't forget the hammer. And last but not least, it's Iron Man with some yellow and blue fondant. And there you have it, Avengers Cakesicles once again. Why not give it a go and create your favourite delicious characters? Enjoy!